right, guys, so on this one on the homework, we are talking about geometric sequence, and that might be a new term. We talked about other types of sequences before, but when you see geometric, it is basically exponential functions, okay? So geometric translates to exponential. So when you see that, you make your own table right here. Here's the sequence. And remember, like the other sequences we studied, you make this a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay? So there's your table. This would be your X's and your Y's. And then we go to spreadsheet on the calculator. And then we input those values like this. Okay? So from here, 1, 3, 2, 9, 3, 27, etc. I plugged it in here. Okay? Once you have them here, okay, we're going to go to Control Doc as usual. We're going to go to Add Data Statistics, and then assign the X and the Y here. And there we go. And we're going to do exponential because it is geometric sequence. We're going to do exponential. So that would be number 8, this one right here. And here I get it. If you can't see it, remember, hover over. When the hand is open, press the middle key like this and keep it pressed down until the hand closes, and then you move it away and press the center to release again. Okay? So this is what we get. So 1 times 3 to the x. You could have gotten this by hand by knowing that you're multiplying by 3 each time to get the y. So you know that your b is 3. If you had a 0 here, you knew this had to be 1 because 1 times 3 gives me 3. And this is where the y-intercept comes. Okay, if you did it by hand. If not, ignore it. If you can't do it by hand, you know that you can do it in spreadsheet and get this, just like I did right now. So when you get your function from spreadsheet, you know this is your b. Okay? And so here it asks for 2 things. The growth factor. When they are mentioning factor, that's the b. Okay, so my growth factor, or b, is 3. So, and as you can see, all the choices have that as a choice, as 3 factors, 3 factor 3, etc. Okay, from there they ask for the growth rate. This is the percent before you add or subtract the 100, right? So let's go back and undo it. So the 3, we got it from 100% plus something, because it was growth. And then we got a 3. Right? Because we moved the decimal twice, and we got a 3. So if we reverse it, that means that this used to be 300%. Okay? So 100% plus what would give me 300%? Well, 200%. So that means that the growth rate is 200%. Okay? The B is 300% or 3. The growth factor is 3, but the growth rate, in other words, the percent that we increased it by each year, or what is it here, each time that we moved the geometric sequence, okay, that was 200%, okay? And then this would be your function.